Alrighty, my YouTube friends. Okay, looky here. So I got me a 90-degree, and it's perfect. It goes right where I want it to go. So I got the line started being fed through here, and I want to show you what I had to do so I didn't have to drop the gas tank again. So it worked like I thought it would. But let's get over here and let me show you exactly what I had to do to get this through here. So I'm probably going to have to wait till the wife gets home so I can feed it the rest of the way through, because I don't want to snag the nylon. So we just got to be careful. So let's get this turned around. We can see what we got. So you see, so what I did, I taped that fitting up so I couldn't scratch it. And then I took a coat hanger, the gold coat hanger, and I stretched it out. I ran it along the top of the gas tank, and then I taped the hose, the fitting and everything, right to the coat hanger. And then I ran the coat hanger this way, taped it through there, and then fished it through that way. So I'm gonna have to wait till the wife gets home or something like that so she can feed that line through there so I can get it to go along the frame. Yeah, man. So let me get this taken care of and I'll bring you back. Yeah, buddy. Okay, so you see I got the 90-degree on there. I got the hose ran up on top of the tank and across through there. So I got it run all the way through. So I ran it over the top of the tank. You see the hose up there on top of that tank? I ran it through that hole, so I need to put a grommet around that one hole where it's coming through. And then, as you see, I got it taped up to the frame there because I'm not sure if that's exactly where it's gonna go, but I'm running it across there, across the bottom of the floor pan. I got it taped up there, and then I got it running next to the frame. And then it's being held up by the jack stand there, and then it goes up front. So I'll bring you back and show you just a second how I got it up front right now, because I just got it laying up there. As you can see, the end of it right here. So I just got it up laying around there. I got plenty of the holes to play with, so I'm happy. So yeah, like I said, is that we got it all up here. Taped up into the wheel well. And then, like I says, we have those hoses right there. They go across to that brace for the, goes underneath the trunk there, above the gas tank. So I got it right in that hole right there. So I got to put a rubber grommet so it don't scrape on there. Plus, once I start tying it down, I'll tie it down better where it's not gonna bother that, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, pretty excited. Yeah. All right, let me get off. You see where I got the line coming off underneath the cars? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna run it up here. And then I'm either gonna go through this hole, I'm gonna have to make it bigger to get it through there, or I'm gonna go back here and put it in there. So I'm not quite sure. But right now I just got it up here laying. So that way, like I says, I don't know where the headers are gonna sit at. I'm hoping they sit low enough where I can put it right here. And then I'll go ahead and tie the fuel regulator right there. If not, I'll be putting it behind the shock tower there. You know, one of the two. So we get things accomplished, man. I mean, I've been working on it. Trying to get things done. So tell me what you guys think. So it's not for sure that's the way that fuel line is going to be ran. I'll know more once I get the engine and everything in it. Right now, this is just a mock-up for the fuel line that's going to the front of the car. And then we'll be rocking and rolling. Like I said, the brakes is going to be next. So let me turn this around.
I gotta say, I'm pretty happy with what we've gotten done so far. You know what I'm saying? You got guys like Sublime and 91 Mustang LX, and those guys been pushing me to get on this car and get her done. So that's one of the reasons why I've been on it. So I appreciate you guys for pushing me. And another thing is, I appreciate the rest of you guys that pushed me too. I don't know everybody's name right offhand, but there was a bunch of people that pushed me. And you guys watching my videos, that's pushing me to get her done too. So I appreciate each and every one of you guys are awesome. But in the meanwhile, we have the fuel line ran. We got everything mocked up the way we want to do it. I can make some changes. I just taped it up to the bottom of the car right now for the front fuel line. When I put the engine in with the headers and everything and the trans, things may look a little different to me then. So then we might want to do a little different route. So I didn't tie it down, but we got it ran. That's the main thing. And we got all the lines and everything on the fuel tank. Just got to tighten everything up, baby. We'd be ready to rock and roll. And the rear end, we got to tighten up everything on that, you know. The lower control arms, upper control arms, everything needs to be tightened up. But I still got to make some adjustments. So, and I can do that within the adjustable control arms. So we're good on that. So guys, I appreciate each and every one of you guys are awesome. Thanks for watching these videos, man. And I know this Fairmont's been taking a long time. But we're getting somewhere, man, and I'm getting excited, and I hope you guys are excited as I am, because pretty soon this thing's going to be a running monster. Yeah, baby. You know what I mean? We're going to have some fun, and I'm hoping to have this thing down on the floor and running by spring. We'll see what happens. Yeah, buddy. So, guys, you guys are awesome, and I'm sure we'll have an update on Bama here pretty soon. I haven't talked to him. Sublime called me and gave me some updates on it, but we'll do that on another video, separate video. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much.